everyone, Pete Santora from Software Automation. We get a ton of questions from the supply chain, whether it's customers, retailers, manufacturers, brands. So we thought we would bring some of those questions up to you, answer them. If you have your own questions, you can send them to us at questions@softwareautomation.com. So let's jump in. What have been the major issues that have stopped the automation of apparel manufacture? The fashion industry was one of the first to start using machinery and automation to manufacture garments. However, today it seems it is a bit late in the automation process comparing to other industries such as automotive or even food. Why do you think this is? So, great set of questions. First of all, the fashion and apparel industry hasn't had a great history in automation, even though it was the first to automate. So the first sewing machine was created by Bartholomew Timonier. It was created in 1829 in France. They set up a factory there, and it's reportedly it was burnt down due to fear of losing jobs by the seamstresses. Then he set up a new factory in Germany, which was also burnt down. So even though it was the first to automate, it's never had a great history of automation acceptance all the way through. That being said, the biggest difficulty when you look beyond sewing automation, and I think there's a misconception that in order to automate the construction of clothes, that you need to automate sewing. Yes, you need to have automated sewing, but what you really need is automated material handling. You need to be able to manage fabric, manage distortion, manage wrinkles, manage curling that happens on the edges. The more you touch it, the more oils that get on the fabric, the more it curls. And then obviously as more automated processes have happened prior to the good, that's also created more issues in the automation process, like automated cutting, which actually compacts all the fibers, and therefore makes it really difficult to take individual pieces of fabric off of the stack. So the primary reason today why we don't have full automation in sewing is because fabric's not rigid. It's not rigid, it distorts, it wrinkles, it curls, all of those things that I said. And so you need an automated fabric handling system, not just automated sewing system. Hope that was helpful. If you guys want to see more information and videos like this, send your questions to questions@softwareautomation.com. You can post them down below, but don't forget to subscribe.